Alright, here are the 3 iPhone settings you should turn off for better privacy and battery life. First, go to settings, then scroll down and tap on privacy and security, then tap on location services. Here you will see list of apps. Tap each app one by one and set location to never or while using the app, and try to avoid always unless an app truly needs it. We are doing this because location is one of the most sensitive pieces of personal data. After change this, apps won't be able to track you where you are all the time. And your battery can also improve because fewer apps are using GPS in the background right now. Next, go back to the privacy and security settings. Now scroll down and tap on analytics and improvements. Now turn off share iPhone analytics. Also turn off share iCloud analytics and turn off improve assistive voice features as well. We are doing this because analytics can send usage and performance data from your iPhone to Apple, and turning this off means your phone shares less data in the background, which improves privacy and you can reduce small background activity. After that, go back again to privacy and security, then scroll down and tap on Apple advertising. Now turn off personalized ads. We are doing this because personalized ads use your activity to decide what ads you see. After you turn it off, your ads won't be based on your personal usage as much, which is a quick and easy privacy win. Finally, let's stop background activity to save battery and improve privacy. To do this, go to iPhone settings, then tap on General, and after that scroll down and tap on background app refresh and set it to off or turn it off for specific apps instead of switching it off for everything. Scroll down and toggle off only the apps you don't need running in the background. We are doing this because apps can refresh and update in the background even when you are not using them. After turn it off, your apps won't quietly run behind the scenes as much, which helps battery life and reduce background data activity. And that's it. If you get stuck anywhere, feel free to ask me in the comments, and if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this, and thanks for watching.